Are you wondering when to use who or whom in a sentence? It's very simple. First, you have to know the difference between a subject and an object. The subject of a sentence is the performer of the action in a sentence, or the doer of an action in a sentence, while the object of a sentence is the receiver of an action. So in this case, whom is used to ask about an object of a verb or an object of a preposition, e.g., them, him, her, while who is used to ask about a subject, which is characterized by the pronouns he, they, and she. Now, the best way to know whether to use who or whom is in a sentence is to ask yourself a question. If the answer is the subject like he, she, they, then use who. While if the answer is them, him, or her, then use whom. The best way to check whether to use whom or who in a sentence is to ask yourself a question. If the answer is them, him, or her, then use whom. If the answer is she, they, or he, then use who. Now let's answer the following questions. Dash is the writer of the famous book. She is the writer of the famous book, or he is the writer of the famous book. Now in this case, our answer is who. Second one, Dash do you prefer to date? I prefer to date her, or I prefer to date him. Our answer is whom. By Dash is the book written. Now that we have a preposition here, it's obvious that we are going to take whom. By whom is the book written? Here's a test for you. Dash did he hire to do the job? And then 2, Dash wants to work on a Friday night. Give your answer in the comment section.